In this tutorial, we'll be talking about iMovie and some basic video editing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look up iMovie on the Mac, and you hit Create New. We're going to do a new movie. This is the hub where you'll be creating things. So what you do is you go to Input Media. You're going to find the proper folder that has the information you want to put in. In my case, it's going to be one black and white photo, one color photo. So again, find your files on your desktop, select them, and import them. Once they're imported, you can click and drag them down into your editing area like I am here. This could be videos or photos. You can notice I'm stacking them where I have my black and white fading into my color. Now, when I want to select a clip, I just make sure it's highlighted in yellow. And here I'm going to set my images so they set to fit, so there's no fading in or fading out. So I do that to both images. Now I want to create a transition. Transitions are located here, and there's many options. You can preview them. I'm going to pick the first option, which is a cross dissolve. It's going to create a smooth transition, so I click and drop it between the two. If I play it, you'll see it's a quick fade from black and white to color. If I want a slower transition, what I can do, well, number one, I can also extend my clips. But if I double click here, I can, instead of 1 second transition, I'm going to do 4 seconds. And it just takes a lot longer for my picture to go from color to black and white. We're looking at about a 10 to 20 second clip here. And I can always try different transitions to see different effects to create. So I'll just find what's happy for me. In a project like this, I can use a short clip like this and it'll be perfect. Now here's titles. If I clicked on titles, there's lots of options. I can click and drag in the front. And this is if I want to say something. So for my example, since it's a color photo assignment, I'm going to type in coloring a photo. If I can type it, there we go. And I'm going to put by Mr. Pyers as well. Now hit enter. And then if I play it, you'll see that it has a title and it jumps right to the picture. If I want to add a transition, I can click on transitions and put a transition between the title and the beginning of the image flow. I can always stretch my clips to make my project longer or shorter. I can add audio clips too. If I click on audio, and I can put music into mine, and I can do a voiceover if I really wanted to. Here I'm just previewing on a large screen to see how my piece goes. Then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add a fade out to black at the end of my clip so it just doesn't end abruptly. That way when it ends, it fades out. That's how you set up with some basic techniques in iMovie to help a project go a little smoother. I just click there to upload my file to my desktop. So you can just rewind if you didn't see that. I'll type my name, hit save, and it's going to upload now and share onto my desktop. I see that it's located on my desktop in the bottom there. It's labeled Mr. Pyers, color photo. I can always double click on that file and watch the video, and then I can import it or upload it for other projects and other computers as well. You can attach it to an email and all that as well. Thank you very much.